Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about all the whoops concepts in C sharp. Um, every object-oriented programming language will support for four concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. Yeah, uh, we will discuss a real-world example with all these concepts. First of all, we will discuss about the abstraction. Abstraction is one of the whoops concept. It will it hides the required details and give the necessary details to the object in a program. This is called abstraction is like in real world application. If you take on a bike, a, a bike, we can handle brake, we can handle clutch, we can handle gears, but these are our required necessary functionalities. But inside, motor is playing some major role. Without motor, bike cannot run. So if you compare this example with abstraction, we can get to know abstraction. OOPS concept will support for abstraction. And encapsulation is giving security to a class members, like it will same like that. It will restrict the outside world functionality to particular class members. If you take real world example, I will tell you. If you take one mobile, if you want to connect with if you want to connect with another mobile, we can use the Bluetooth device. But in other mobile, we cannot control the dialing and web searching from outside the mobile. Like here, it is giving the security. And in C sharp, we can control the security by using the access modifiers like public, private, internal, protected, internal, protected. These are some access modifiers, and abstraction and encapsulation combinedly working together. Abstraction, we will let us see the definition. Abstraction in hiding the implementation details and display the only essential features of the object. In abstraction, by using access modifiers, we can hide the required details and expose only necessary methods and properties. And if you look at the encapsulation in C sharp, encapsulation is a process of binding the data members into a single unit. Generally, in C sharp, encapsulation is used to prevent the alteration of the code from outside function. In C sharp, in C sharp, by defining the class fields with properties and properties, we can protect the data from accidental corruption. Like we have some access modifiers, right? By using that, we can protect this one. Let us discuss about inheritance. In C sharp, it is possible to fields and methods from one class to another. We have a five different types of inheritances are there: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. Like we have a five types of inheritance. uh, like here, inheritance, like for example, parent is there. Parent properties can acquire the children, but children properties cannot acquire the parents. Like the same way, here also we can acquire the details from parent class to child class. And if you look at the what is polymorphism, in I will we will discuss what is polymorphism in real world application. Polymorphism is same method but multiple behavior. Poly it is giving multiple behavior to a particular method. Like the method name will be same, but the signature of the method will be different. Like if you take the real-time example, let us go to mobile. If you open the camera option, we can see two options. Same functionality, but two modes, camera mode and video recording mode. So same functionality, but two modes. Like the way we can understand the polymorphism in real world application. So same functionality, same function is different signature. Like the way we can understand the polymorphism here. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment and share it, and also subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Thank you so much.